Hello traders. Yeah, hopefully the sound is good because I wasn't live right now for a long time.
Traders. Hopefully the sound is good because I wasn't live right now.
Servus Emre. So guys, has anybody a clue what is happening right now? Why is everything dropping? Bitcoin smashing all levels. Boom, 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 boom. That's crazy. That's super crazy. Phew. China. Probably. I don't know. But I do not care. The thing is, everything occurs for one reason, and I really do not care about the fundamentals right now. If there is any kind of news who is right now pushing the price to the downside, important is only what the biggest speculators are currently doing with that kind of information. What they're doing with it. Exactly, Jovan. And now goes up. That was the low test. I just bought XRP right now at this low price at $1. I was at Bitpanda buying some more XRPs because that's the last chance to buy XRPs right now. And just a few minutes after I bought my XRP, Bitpanda crashed. The whole platform crashed. Just because of it's not possible right now anymore to buy it, because right now the liquidity is only given for those who have the access to buy it, because now the markets are ready to continue to move up higher. You need to understand that everything right now is correlated with Bitcoin, and we've been waiting for Bitcoin to give us the crash to the downside, and nobody has known exactly at what kind of price it will occur, but everybody knows that it should occur. And look at this. We are on Bitcoin still technically in an uptrend. Everything is okay as long as we are going to remain above this level. And look at it. This is the level where the biggest investors are buying again. They've been realizing the profits exactly over here. What they've used for that kind of thing is manipulation. You can see it over here. You got liquidity, and only with that peak above it, they've attracted more and more retail investors and also big investors. So no matter what kind of investor entered the market, what we know is that the professionals, the real professionals like Goldman Sachs, stuff like this, they've been realizing at this area their profits drop, and then more profits drop. This is why the market can drop that much to the downside. This is also the reason why Tesla exited Bitcoin. I mean, come on. They've been entering the market at 30k, and they've known exactly that Bitcoin should drop to the downside. Why? Because this is chart technical analysis. This is completely normal that you will see from time to time a major correction. Now Tesla had the choice what to do. To close some profits or to just be a long-term holder. Well, I guess they've exited some positions. Not the whole positions. It's not a problem. Because right now they have the chance to buy again. I don't know if they are going to do it. But the chance is definitely here that they are going to do this. Yeah, and now everything should go up. Everything. Every altcoin, every shitcoin, everything will go up. Right now you have the chance to buy, guys. Just buy it. China forbid the usage of cryptos. Yeah. China already said that they wanted to forbid Bitcoin in the past. And yeah, right now the biggest investors use that information in order to drive the prices to the downside. That's the thing. This is exactly like happened to XRP. They used the SEC. So at SEC, probably everybody from you knows that one fact, that SEC has a lawsuit with Ripple. And at that point, the price dropped to the downside on Ripple. Let me show you. Again, that was here. So that was the accumulation phase. That was something similar like we had it in Bitcoin. Only the difference is in Bitcoin we had a distribution phase. This is the accumulation phase, and this is the distribution phase. Okay, this is the same result. Okay, the same outcome. Now, here the price went all the way to the upside. Then SEC came in, and at this moment, what occurred was that the biggest investors used that information to drive the price to the downside. So for them, it was the best thing to rejoin the market at this area in order to make this whole return of investment. You are going to do much more percentages from this area. So if you take it from the low to the high, you have 1000%. If you bought XRP at this area, you would have had only 350, okay? That's the same example like you are buying a Rolex, but the Rolex is not from the original shop. So a robbery is selling to you a Rolex. Are you going to pay the same amount for that Rolex or not? Of course not, because it's not the same anymore. But the product itself is the same. That's the same like with a new car. You're buying a car, and at the moment, if somebody's buying the car is losing 20% in value just because you are not going to be then the first owner anymore, okay? And that's the same right now with XRP. The SEC was something which just manipulated the price itself, but the product itself was the same and is still the same. It's doing the same job. Ripple is Ripple is doing the same job, but the price has been losing in value due to bad social media. Bad media is telling only bad stuff about XRP, so nobody wants to buy any XRP at that price anymore. And this is how the biggest investors are going to be involved in that market. Yeah, that's basically it. This is why the whole market is currently dropping, and this is why you should right now buy if you would like to buy it. If not, then it's also okay. If your bags are already full, then that's okay. You should not risk right now any money which you are not able to lose, because that's still a risky business right now over here. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I just bought XRP right now, just a few minutes before Bitpanda crashed completely. And that was my last chance to even buy it. Right now, if I'm trying to log in, I cannot. Because everybody right now tries to sell their cryptos due to that hard drop, okay? Because everybody's right now super scary. Also on my portfolio, it dropped right now almost 50%. And this is super crazy. That emotionally, it really fucks you. Really fucks you emotionally. But you need to stick to the plan. And as long as this price will not go through these levels, everything is okay. Everything is okay, guys. Bitcoin the same. Okay, it looks super crazy if you look at it and you see how the price is just boom dropping, but this is good. This is super good for us. It's a good new opportunity for us to join this market. Okay, and also Ethereum, guys. Also Ethereum. Let me check the cryptos, because look at this. Look at these percentages. This is crazy. That's super crazy percentages where everything is dropping 40%. Yeah. So Ethereum. Yeah, I mean Ethereum is currently already bouncing up. It didn't hit my target, I guess. Not really, but still a very significant level over here. So as you can see, those levels that I'm always mapping out are just institutional levels where institutions are putting their orders. And look at this, just a quick tap and boom, the prices is giving us a reaction. Now these areas doesn't mean right now that the price needs to go up higher from here like this. We could still see the price moving down lower, because I explained it today in the video that the price on Ethereum could go potentially lower due to we have over here some more levels, okay? And we did it in the past at the same. Yeah, I can't wait to see green candle. Yeah, also me. That's something which we all want to see. But guys, don't be scary right now. Really, don't be scary. Don't get emotionally. No matter. just buy some more if you can afford it. If you cannot, then everything is good. And what I can also see right now on the XRP is, look at this, it's kind of a triangle pattern. Triangle patterns are always good to show you that the prices here are accumulating. This is just a retail trader concept, but analysis are always good, also if you're doing it from an analysis from a retail trader perspective. The thing is, right now what we can also see is that the market has built here a ton of liquidity. Okay, this is also a source of liquidity. When you see price doing something like this, you can expect it to go a little bit lower before afterwards going up higher to hunt that liquidity. Then you will see something like this. People in this phase here are going to lose money because they are going to get right now super emotionally due to this huge drop. Then price will go up higher. Then they are going to buy cryptos again, then prices again dropping to the downside, and then they're going to leave the market again. And this is kind of a play with your emotions. So this will really get you out of the market. The majority will get out of the market due to they don't understand what this market is currently doing. I mean, yeah, I know it's crazy also for me, and I know exactly what the market should do. And still, for me, it's emotionally to see something like this. If your portfolio was so big and then just in a few seconds, boom, then you see how powerful the markets can be, how powerful those investors are. Because if they are going to leave the market, then boom, this thing is crashing. And right now, here are their orders exactly at this price. Okay, just going a little bit lower than that one, okay, just to show you kind of a structure break. But as long as we are not going to close above it, so this daily candle here, this bearish one, needs to close below this area in order for us to expect some more bearish continuation. But we will probably not see this one. Okay, any questions, guys? You can just write them down, because I will not stay long live right now, because just wanted to give you a quick update, because so many stuff occurring right now. Okay, then I would say let's see next time. Probably I will make tomorrow a new live in the morning or something like this, giving you some new analysis. Also watch them on TradingView, because on TradingView I explained it a little bit more detailed. Right now I just wanted to give you right now kind of an emotional support just to not freak out right now due to the markets are crashing like hell. Okay, see you then tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.